morning. Today is going to be a big day. I got Joey Joe coming over to help me out. I'm going to do the motor swap, so I'm going to try and put the motor and the gearbox and the CVs and the hubs and the front suspension all in the car, in the new one, now that I've painted the engine bay. As you can see, I got the crane in the back, so I'm just going to make it easier. I'm not going to even be bothered trying to lift it out of the car, so I can't be bothered doing that again. I'm just going to crane it out. It'll be easier, even though the engine's not heavy. But whatever makes your life easier, and if you got access to it, use it. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, I've disconnected the loom, the speedo cable, the clutch cable, all the fuel lines. Everything's disconnected basically. All the vacuum lines, I think. And then all I got to do is take out the CVs and the gearbox cables, and I think I should be ready to lift it out. Get the crane onto it and take her out. Yeah. There we go. Okay, Joe, we've got everything disconnected except for the engine mounts. So now we can disconnect the engine mounts to 1, 2, and 3, and then should be able to lift it out with the crane.
Yes.
Get that crane out of the back of the ute and lift her out. I jammed my wheel.
There we go. There she is.
The weapon itself. The weapon of choice, Joe. Everyone gonna be like, why are you using a bloody crane? It only weighs 60 kilos. Mate, I'm lazy. I got a crane. Why not?
Any excuse to whip the old crane out.
Yeah. No, I'm happy with that. That's good.
What did you do there?
I broke this, so I'm just sort of like holding it in position, and it just sprayed me in the mouth. It's gross.
And how did you do that?
Oh, I'm dumb. That's enough.
Yeah, fuck, she's pretty mucky.
Yeah, those degrees are all do some more. So as you can see, the motor is out. We'll put some of the accessories back in here. We need to get the loom, the clutch cable, and the master cylinder. At the moment, we're going to take the gearbox off and replace the rear main seal because the rear main is cactus, it's leaking, so we're just going to replace it while it's out of the car. It's easier. So that's what we're working on now, just taking the gearbox off. What do we got here, Joe? Gross rear main seal. Look at how manky and yuck it is. It's so greasy in here. Leaked so much oil. I'm going to replace that before I put this motor back together because I knew that was happening. Because what can happen is once you get enough of it leaking, it can go through onto your face of your flywheel and cause your clutch to slip. So prevention is the best form of cure. I don't know, what is it? What's it? What is it?
I don't know. What are you trying to tell us?
I don't know, Jeff. Order a new one of them. That's good. Good.
Righto, what's going on? What have you done?
We've taken the old sump off and we're ready to put the new one on. We're just cleaning up the face. We've also taken the intake off, so then we can add another fuel rail so I can have secondary injectors for my second fuel pump. which I already done
Yep,
in the previous video.
that plane's just on cue. Brilliant.
Does fuck the sound. Fucks the sound so much. I have to do that again. Okay, we got our new sump on, Joey. Just waiting for the gasket goo to seal, but the new sump's on. I've ordered my new rear main seal, so I can't do that today, but I'll do that and put the clutch on another day. Yeah, not bad. And I think today might put the brake master back in and maybe the fuel lines in the car. Big day.
Big day.
Okay, Joe, it's been a big day doing lots of stuff. We've probably put a full half day in from like midday till now. Yeah, we got a lot done. Engine is apart and ready to go into the new one when we get the new rear main seal. Lots of fuel lines and brake master and stuff swapped over. We need to swap over the dash and the loom still before we put the motor in. But yeah, we're getting there. It's slow, but we're getting there. Alright, see yous. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with the build. See you on the next one.